Today, I'm making rainbow to 10. We all know that a rainbow has 7 colors, and everyone knows how a rainbow forms. When it's raining, the sunlight shines on the water drops. It will create a rainbow. But now we're gonna create a rainbow using numbers. Isn't it surprising, guys? It's actually real. I have seen that before, but I have never tried it. I've seen it in my classroom. It's a classroom picture. And there's even something called Rainbow to 20. Both are STEM activities. Both are fun learning activities. So all you need is a paper that looks like this. It doesn't need the dots. So, okay. All you need to do is draw a paper like this. And you need color pencils. You need 6 colors. Okay? So, we need red. I got the rainbow colors here and a pencil, and it's all sharpened. So we're gonna put the pencil aside here so you can see it. So now we're gonna get red because it's my favorite color, but my first favorite color is orange. This is my second favorite color. So, but first, we need to do it. Okay. We need to start from 0 here, and we need to add 10 here. 0 connects to 10, that's why. 1, 9, 1, that's a 9, yes. 2, 8. 3, 7, 'Yes, so I got this here. We need to do like this. You should learn number bonds, okay? That will make everything much easier. I know number bonds, so it will be easy for me. So you should number like this. It's 6 colors. You only need 6 colors for this. So, okay, we're gonna take red. We're gonna start from 0. Now I'm gonna connect 2 and 8 with yellow.
Do fast.
Okay, we're gonna put my hand there. Yes! Done! So, wait, not done yet. Still fixing. Reminding me some memories of videos. Done. Finally done with yellow. So we're gonna make green. Doesn't look like any of the other colors out there. We need 5 more. No, we need 5 plus 5 equals 10. So we need to connect 3 plus 7, 3 and 7 with green. Okay. Yeah, done. We need to connect 4 plus 6 with blue, 3 plus 7 with green, and goes on and on and on.
చేతిలో పెట్టుకో.
Okay.
అక్కడ పెట్టుకో. అక్కడ కాదు, స్మాష్ అయింది.
always, there's an intro on my videos. So don't miss the intro, it's very good. I changed the intro. Before it was a different music, but now it's a different music than the previous old videos. These are new videos, so we're gonna use a new intro. So the old videos needed an intro, so that's why I created an intro. We created intro. My family created the intros and the slides for the intro. Okay. This is gonna be very easy, the next one. So now I finished it. So let's do 5 to 5. It's gonna be very easy. It's the easiest of all. Okay. You need to do this quickly. This is 5 and this is 5. 5 plus 5 makes 10. So I've seen the rainbow before in my native country, India. Okay, so now we're gonna finish coloring it. You need to finish coloring all within 1 day. That's the challenge. This is not a challenge for me, so is it? Nah. Okay, so now I finished coloring. Okay, so we're gonna do the addition sentences using the rainbow. Okay? 0 plus 10 equals 10. 0 equals nothing. 0 equals nothing, right? Okay, so 1 plus 9 is 10. So we're gonna write it. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 plus 8. Equals 10. Okay, so 2 plus 8 equals 10. So now it's time for 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, so we're gonna do 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay. Okay, so now 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay, I'm doing faster. I didn't fast forward it. Okay. Okay, so 9 plus 1 equals 10. So we're gonna write it. Now 8 plus 2 equals 10. So okay, now 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, so 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, so now 5 plus 5 equals 10. Actually, now this 5 is gonna be here, and this 5 is gonna be here. You can't really tell the difference. You can't see the difference at all. Okay, Mother, can you please put the camera near the paper so everyone can see it? So. Okay, so now this is the rainbow to 10. It's okay. It's gonna be available in the playlist. So bye. This is the end of today's episode, and bye. I'll catch you next time.
చూపి పెట్టుకోండి.